Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So let me show you here. I'm in the restaurant, so I'm not talking too loudly. This is the menu, le menu. First what you see here, okay, that's the name of the restaurant in the countryside with their website, and they're in fact also doing traiteur, which means they will organize the reception for you, you see. And this place, they was said, apparently it's not so bad because they say that all the vegetable, tous les légumes, tous les plats, they come from the garden, so it's probably, they use very fresh ingredients. On the first page you can see ce sont les apéritifs. Les apéritifs is the alcohol that you drink before you eat. So many type of apéritifs. They will explain what's inside. En cadre noir, saumure pétillant, crème de mûre. Saumure pétillant, crème de mandarine, americano. So they give you which kind of alcohol they put and mix together. Person, and even without any alcohol for €2 cocktail without alcohol. On this side you have the menu, so you can, when you go to the restaurant, especially at lunchtime, you have the menu. Donc, menu touristique, that's for the tourists because there are many tourists here. Which is, where is the price here? Menu à 13 € is entrée, plat, fromage, dessert. So you select one of each. One entrée, une entrée, one in here, un plat, un fromage, assiette de fromage, your cheese, select the cheese, and then un dessert. And you can even only pay €10 if you only select entrée ou plat, dessert. So then you have the choice and you have several dishes from here. Regardez, terrine, quiche Lorraine, salade de crudité, rôti. My kid is very hungry, so that's him. You are here and here. Then you have more expensive menu, so which is menu gourmet. Gourmet means you like to eat well. Gourmet. Gourmet is someone who likes to eat well. So you have also entrée, plat, dessert. So the menu gourmet is... menu gourmet is a little bit more expensive, it's €18, at 18 €. And then you have the menu découverte, which is like discovery, so it means you really are going to discover all the speciality from here. Menu découverte. Entrée, poisson, plat, dessert. This one is €28. €28 if you take everything. And you see here why it's more expensive, because the food is more expensive. For instance, there's agneau, which is expensive, the meat. They will have the fish, barbet, saumon, coquillage, it's a seafood, tourne-d'eau. What else do we have here? And of course, you can also prix à la carte. À la carte. So à la carte, you can just select one. But it's less interesting to take à la carte because you see one dish is already €15, and the menu is okay. You take andouillette, the menu is at 18. So it's interesting to take. Là, on a Paul et on a. He's very hungry. Il a très faim.
Derrière, il y a un diplôme d'honneur.
Oh, mais il y a des gens derrière.
Tu montes plus de ça, cher.
Voilà. Très bien. Et là, on a commandé de l'eau. Et là, on a aussi du vin, un pichet. You know, when you get the alcohol in the restaurants, quite often you can order one glass, only one glass or one pitcher, so one person, which is usually the house wine, le vin maison, so it's not very good. Ici, bien, vous pouvez voir, je vous laisse. Il y a un diplôme de cuisine. Et regardez, ici, là, à droite, vous avez un diplôme d'honneur. Et ici, il a c'est là où il garde le vin. Keeps the wine here, and there's the coffee machine. Prepared in the glass. Okay. And the very funny part about this restaurant is you can even see the kitchen. The kitchen is here. And the kitchen is open, so when you get inside the entrance, you see this is the countryside restaurant. So really here they will never get Michelin star because you see it's really countryside. There's no decoration. It's very simple. It's a little bit ugly, so they will never get any Michelin decoration here. But it's cheaper, much cheaper, and apparently, you will get the food is not bad. So you can see the coffee machine here, and the bread. They say the bread is homemade. Et qu'est-ce que tu fais, Paul? And here you can see the kitchen. C'est la cuisine. This is the kitchen. So the guy is the chef and he's inside in the kitchen. You see, and that's the entrance. can see from the road. So I will show you a little bit, so you can see. And the funny part is you have another restaurant just next to here. So they are the competitors. And on the outside, that's why we came into this one. C'est produit de notre jardin, produit fabrication maison. These products come from our garden, and these are homemade products. Okay. And here you have some specialty. You see the bread. They say it's homemade, terrine homemade, and the quiche, the grapes. Et voilà, ça c'est dehors. En face, this used to be, I think, a place where you had a factory or something. Most of this place you see is no job, nothing, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful, you know. And this is where I hope to live. You know, with your help, I will be your teacher online, and maybe I will also have to find a job, maybe teaching in some. This one is also probably not bad, but you see there are very few customers inside. But il a du retard 2018, but there are very few customers. So when there's few customers, you think, okay, yeah, maybe not so good. Well, where we are, one thing for sure is they don't come because of the design. And here I cannot show you, but there is a tower which looks very nice. And let me go back inside. Voilà, just wanted to show you the surrounding, l'environnement. Voilà. Bon. À bientôt les amis. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, and you can write a comment. You can support me on Patreon. And what I will do very soon, but I will tell you, is I think I will do some PPT for everything, and you can download the PPT, and then you can have all the lesson and all the file. I will prepare this for you. And if you download it, I will try to find a website that can host the downloading links, you know. And this website, each time you download, I can make a little bit income from the advertisement. So I think it's a good idea for me, and also this will be useful for you as well. Et vous voyez là, il y a les voitures, all the cars of the customers, qui are parked around. Voilà, bon, je vous laisse. À bientôt. Oh wow, look at this. This is the things that you can really find. Il a mis des lampes comme ça. You know the lantern here. This is, you know, this used to be on the horse cart. Vous avez les calèches, the horse cart. Voilà, je vous laisse. À bientôt les amis. Je vous donnerai le nom d'ailleurs. Bon, je vous laisse ici. Voilà, c'est des vieilles photos. Voilà, c'est à Châtillon. Châtillon. Okay. Je vous laisse. Au revoir les amis. C'est la quiche. C'est la quiche. C'est la terrine de. La terrine de quoi? Je sais pas. Et le potage.
C'est une terrine forestière.
Terrine forestière. Ouais. Et le pain est fait maison. Le pain est fait maison. Comment s'appelle le...
Passe au milieu.
Merci. C'est le veau. Le veau. Escalope de veau. Et vous, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est escalope de dinde.
Il y a de la crème fraîche dessus.
Et là, j'aurais dû prendre peut-être comme papa. Une natose. Et là, donc, il y a beaucoup de crème. Et ça, c'est de la panure, et de la chapelure dessus. Ça, c'est un gratin. Et ça, on s'est bien présenté. Donc là, c'est le sorbet poire framboise. Et ici, sorbet mangue. Ici, l'assiette de fromage. Et vous avez vu, il y a 3 fromages. Fromage de chèvre. Comté. Et le dernier, je ne sais pas. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Je ne sais pas si c'est du comté ou du Saint-Nectaire.
Et Saint-Nectaire.
Du Saint-Paulin.
Saint-Paulin.
Saint-Poulin, je ne connais pas.
Ça c'est
Ça, c'est du comté. Et l'autre, c'est du sel.
Et l'autre, c'est le Saint-Paulin.
Les fromages de sel. De sel. Et là, vous avez la tarte pomme avec de la crème vanille. Et ça suffit, Paul, fais la tienne. Tu m'as fait tomber maintenant. Voilà.